Welcome back to my channel. Guys, my today's videos, I'm gonna show you how to construct light emitting diode display using Arduino Uno module. Before we start, these are the materials that we needed. 8 pieces light emitting diode, 5 cm male-to-male jumper wires. We have breadboard or project board, and especially the Arduino Uno module and the Arduino Uno connector. Now, let's construct the circuit. First, connect all the LEDs in the breadboard. Okay. First LED, the second LED, then the third LED, then the fourth LED, the fifth LED, then the sixth LED, then the seventh LED, okay, then last the 8 LEDs. Okay, then be sure all the negative of all LEDs connected to the ground. Okay, remember the short leg of LED is the negative and the long ones is the positive. Second, using black jumper wires, we connect the negative of the LEDs to the ground located on the Arduino module. Okay, then using 8 pieces jumper wires, we connect all the positive of LEDs on the pin number 1 to pin number 8 in Arduino module. Okay, the positive, then pin number 1. Okay, then the next LED, pin number 2. Okay, the third LED connected to pin number 3, then the fourth LED connected to the pin number 4. Okay, then the fifth LED connected to the fifth pin number 5, then the sixth LED connected to the pin number 6, then the 7 LEDs connected to the pin number 7, then the 8 LEDs connected to pin number 8. Once we set up our circuit, double check all the connection if properly connected. Then, okay, double check if all positive of LEDs connected to the pin of the Arduino Uno. Okay, then if properly connected, then connect the Arduino Uno to the computer using Arduino connector to create a program to animate our LEDs. Connected this and connected to the computers or laptop. After connecting the USB port to the computer or laptop, we can now create a program to animate the LEDs. First, you need to download and install the Arduino IDE or Integrated Development Environment available to their website at http://www.arduino.cc. Once the IDE installed to the computer or laptop, you can now run the application and start creating a program to animate the LED. This is our Arduino IDE. Okay, then we can start run the application. Okay, let's wait for a while. Okay, the application initializing. Then this is the Arduino integrated development environment where we can create our program. Before we start to create program, okay, these are the things to remember. Okay, first, go to my computer. Okay, then right click, go to manage. Then after go to manage, okay, manage. Let's wait for a while. Then go to device manager. Okay, then check the ports, communication ports. Okay, as you can see, okay, in ports, the Arduino Uno use the communication tree. Once we check this, we have this, it means our communication between Arduino Uno and our computers are connected properly and installed properly. Then second, we need to check the tools, then check the ports if the communication port properly connected. Then check the communication port. Okay, then because in our manage, we can see the number of ports used by the Arduino Uno. Then go to board and check the preferred module you use. Since we use Arduino Uno, then let's check the Arduino Uno. Once the setup done, we can now start creating a program. Then first, I go to file, example, then go to basic and a simple blink. Okay, we create a simple blink. As you can see, another windows pop up. Then this example came from Arduino community. Then let's copy this. Okay, remember guys, the gray part is only a comment. Then I copy this in my sketch. Okay, then let's one by one check the program. In Arduino, we have two functions, the setup function and the loop function. In the setup part, this comment initialize digital pin LED as an output or input. Okay, then in void loop, these functions run over and over again. If you want to run your instruction over and over again, as long as you have power, okay, you write your instruction here. If you want to run your instruction once, you can create instruction on the void setup. Then let's initialize the pin number. Okay, I assign pin 1 as an output. Then in void loop, I use pin 1 again. I set pin 1 to high, means when we say high in digital logic, the LED on. Okay, when it said high, turn on. Okay, then I have delay of 1000. Then another digital write for digital pin number 1. Okay, I set the pin number 1 to low, means turn the LED off. Okay, then wait for a second for delay. Then that's it. Okay, this is simple blink. Okay, let's try it to our Arduino hardware. Then let's verify first. Okay, once we verify the program and there is no error, okay, this the IDE put there is no error. If there's an error, we need to debug our program. Okay, then let's wait for a while to check if the program has an error. Okay, then that's it. There is no error. Then this the information provided by the Arduino. Then we can now upload the program. Okay, let's upload. Okay, Okay, as you can see, the LED 1, okay, light on or turn on. Okay, then what if let's assign pin number 2 as an output. Okay, then let's check if the pin number 2 turn on and off in the delay of 1000. Okay, as you can see, the pin number 2 turn on. Okay, let's try pin number 3, and pin number 3. Okay, then as you can see now, the pin number 3 will turn on. Okay, if you want to adjust the delay, the speed, example, I put 500 or equivalent. This is in millisecond. Okay, 500 if you want to convert it into seconds, that is equivalent to 0.5 seconds. Then let's try upload the program in our Arduino module. As you can see, okay, the blink of an LED blink faster. Okay, in 0.5 seconds. Okay guys, that's it. We have simple blink. Okay, we have 8 LEDs. What if we want to turn on off all the LEDs? First, copy this. Okay, pin mode 1, pin mode 2. Okay, let's put 8 pin mode, then change it with pin mode 2, pin mode 3. Let's assign all pin, okay, to turn off and on. Okay, then we have 8 pins. Then in digital write we have 1. Okay, then let's copy this, then paste. Okay, let's assign all LEDs high, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's assign all LEDs turn on. Then we have delay of 1000. Okay, then let's assign again all the LEDs turn off. Okay, let's copy this. Okay, paste 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have delay, okay, of 1000. Then change it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we remove this. Okay, then we have digital pin number 1 to 8, pin number 1 to 8, low and high. Then let's upload this let's upload the program to our Arduino module. Okay, then as you can see, our all LEDs will turn on and off. And example, we want to change the program, okay, to our desired output. Okay, we want to animate the program, okay, for another sequence. Okay, let's copy this. Okay, and I will set the delay. Okay, then delay. Okay, I set digital write 1, 2, 3 high, and this is low, then low. Okay, low, and another low. Okay, for pin number 1 to 4, pin number 1 to 4, then change it to pin number 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, pin number 5, 6, 7, 8, low, high, low. Okay, sorry, that is pin number 1, sorry, 1, 2, 3. Then next we have 4, 5, 6. Remove this. Okay, then create. Okay, we create another sequence for, copy this for high, pin number 7 to pin number 8. Okay, then let's put delay on the middle of this instruction. Then we have 5, 6, 7, 8 assigned with high. Okay, then high, and assign it to high. Then again, last. Right, as you can see, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 set high, then 1, 2, 3, 4 set low in the delay of 1000, then 5, 6, 7 set high, then delay of 1000, then 5, 6, 7 set low, delay of 1000. Then let's try this program to animate our LED. Okay, let's upload this program in our Arduino module. Okay, then okay, that's it. Okay, that is the simple animation. Okay, 1, 2, 3 high, 1, 2, 3 low. If you want to adjust the speed, example, sir, I want to adjust the speed. Okay, change the delay from 1000 to 100, then save. Okay, then upload. Okay, be sure that you have no error in your program. Okay, guys. Okay, as you can see in our output, no, the LED will turn on and off in the delay of 0.1 seconds. Guys, if you learn to this video, okay, don't forget to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.